Have you ever got confused when someone says, I feel like sleeping, instead of saying, I want to sleep? What is the difference? Aren't they the same? Welcome to Talking. Today we are going to learn a very interesting pattern. I feel like plus verb ing. In today's lesson, day 4 of patterns, you will learn what I feel like plus verb ing means, how to use it naturally, real life expressions, and how to sound natural like a native speaker. I feel like plus verb ing means you have a desire or feeling to do something. It is not a strong decision, it is just a feeling. It is natural and emotional. Its structure is I plus feel like plus verb ing. I feel like sleeping. I feel like eating something sweet. I feel like going for a walk. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't say, I feel to eat. Say, I feel like eating. What do you feel like doing right now? Say it out loud. I feel like, and your sentence. Why this is powerful? If you use this pattern, your English becomes more natural, more expressive, more native-like. That was day 4 of your pattern series on Talking. If you learned something new today, like this video, subscribe to grow your English step by step. And don't miss day 5. See you in the next lesson.